Hey guys, it's the Doctonator, and I'm going to be coming at you with 3 Toy Story 4 characters. In this video, we're going to be learning how to draw Bunny, so let's go hop into the drawing scene so I can show you how to do just that. What's up guys? Welcome to another vid. So let's start drawing Bunny's face shape first, to start things off. I think I just said that twice. So big blob looking face shape. Really wide at the cheeks, and then it gets narrow at the base of the head. And then we're going to draw his ears. So I'm going to draw a center line here. And I'm going to form the left ear, which is thinnest at the tip of his ear, and then it just gets really fat and wide at the base. And then we're going to do the other ear. Like that. And then I want to draw the inside of the ear like this. Simple. Now let's draw the face shape, or facials I mean. And we're gonna start by drawing his eyes first, just so we know where to place his mouth and other parts of his face. And he has really thick lashes, so I'm gonna make another line here and kind of fill it in to make it look like a thick lash line. And I'm gonna try to do the same thing for the other eye. Like this. Do the same thing, or at least try to make it look similar to the other eye, like that. And then we're going to draw the irises. Oops. Oh my god. And then the pupil, like so. Just like that. Okay. I'm going to erase some highlights in his eyes, and then his mouth, we're going to draw his mouth almost directly in the center between his eyes. So, big circle. It's a bigger circle than the circles that his eyes are. And then we're going to draw a smaller circle on top of that. And then a line going across like this. And then another couple lines to form his mouth that's being opened. Or his mouth that's open. Then we're going to draw his teeth, his little tonguey. Fill that in. I'm going to draw a line running down the center of his face like this to make him look like he's a plush. And then I'm going to draw some whiskers, and he only has 2 whiskers, no more than that. And now let's start drawing his body shape. So I'm going to start with a really quickly drawn curved shape for his belly. Alright, like that. I'm going to form some of the belly lines here, and then I'm going to draw his arms. So really thick at the hands, and then kind of thick at the shoulders. And then we're going to draw some thumbs here, really simple, and then his feet. So his legs first, which are bent, and then some of his feet, which come in like this, and then forming the other foot like that. And some defining lines to define his limbs, the depth of his limbs, you know what I mean? And his little tail hiding in the back, just like that. And there you have it. I mean, it was that simple. Hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for more Toy Story 4 characters. And that concludes the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, click the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to hit subscribe. If you didn't find this drawing video helpful, be sure to go to DrawingHUB.com, where you get the step-by-step drawing tutorial video, which is provided in the description below. So be sure to check that out. It's awesome stuff. You can learn how to draw pretty much anything, like Fortnite characters and pop culture characters. I also draw live right here on YouTube and also on Twitch TV on the weekdays from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Usually, though, I'm streaming around 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you want to watch awesome art being drawn, hit me up on the YouTube live stream. Thanks so much for viewing, guys, and I hope you stay tuned for other videos.